If you're tired of stubborn stains on your couch, car seats, or carpets, the BISSELL Little Green Mini Portable Cleaner might be the small machine that finally fixes big messes. It's compact, easy to carry, and built to handle everyday spills that never seem to go away. This Little Green Mini is designed for fast, deep cleaning anywhere you need it, your home, apartment, office, or car. Its lightweight body and tea-green color give it a clean, modern look that fits right into any space without feeling bulky. Despite the small size, the cleaning power is seriously impressive. The combination of strong suction, water spray, and cleaning formula pulls dirt from deep within fiber fibers instead of just cleaning the surface. It's the kind of power you expect from a full-size carpet cleaner. You get two main attachments with the unit. The first is the 4-inch Tough Stain tool, perfect for scrubbing stains out of seats, carpets, and upholstery. It's ideal for removing coffee, mud, food spills, and anything else life throws at your furniture or car. The second tool is the HydroRinse Self-Cleaning Tool, which is one of the best features of this model. Attach it, turn on the machine, and it rinses the inside of the hose automatically. No more trapped dirty water, no bad smells, and no complicated cleaning routines. The machine shines in real-life situations. Whether you're dealing with pet accidents, juice spills, muddy car mats, or old stains on stairs, the Little Green Mini handles them with ease. It's especially useful for car lovers who want a clean interior without paying for detailing. For homes with kids or pets, this machine becomes a lifesaver. Spills, paw prints, and unexpected messes happen all the time, and this cleaner lets you remove them quickly before they settle into the fabric forever. The separate clean and dirty water tanks make the process simple. Fresh solution goes in, dirty water comes out. The design keeps everything hygienic and easy to empty even after tackling heavy stains or deep dirt. One of the biggest reasons people love this model is how easy it is to store. It's small enough to fit inside a closet, on a shelf, or in the trunk of your car. You get power without needing a giant machine taking up space. If you want a portable, affordable, and powerful cleaning tool that can revive old furniture, freshen up your car, and erase everyday stains, the BISSELL Little Green Mini 4075 is a great choice. It's a compact solution for big messes and delivers results you can see instantly.